In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best router lifts available on the market. We researched the web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the router lifts list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the router lifts mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, Woodworking Router Lift RL F001. The RL F001 router lift ensures precise and durable woodworking performance. Designed to fit C8 router table insert boards, it features a manual lifting rod for accurate adjustments and quick installation using 4 mounting screws. Perfect for various woodworking applications, it's built to last with its sturdy design. A great choice for woodworkers seeking precision and ease of use, this tool offers exceptional value with its discounted price. Number 4, Router Lift System with Aluminum Top Plate. This router lift system includes an aluminum top plate, designed for 65 mm diameter motors. Ideal for trimmers, engraving machines, and DIY tools, it combines strength and precision. Its versatile design fits various woodworking setups, making it a reliable choice for professionals and DIYers. With a 53% discount, it offers exceptional value for precision woodworking projects, ensuring stable and accurate operation every time. Number 3, ENJOYWOOD GD7 PRO Router Lift. The ENJOYWOOD GD7 PRO Router Lift is engineered for precision woodworking, featuring a stable lock ring set for secure operation and smooth adjustments. Compatible with 65 mm per 69 mm wood routers, it's constructed from premium aluminum alloy for durability. The precision transmission system ensures effortless, accurate height adjustments, enhancing your woodworking tasks. Whether you're a professional or an enthusiast, this tool delivers exceptional results and reliability. Number 2, Aluminum Router Lift Base. This aluminum router lift base is ideal for DIY router worktables. Featuring a precision clamping system with 4 jaws and an ergonomic handle for smooth lifting, it's built from high-grade aluminum alloy for long-lasting durability. Designed for high-precision woodworking tasks, it's easy to install with an included hex wrench. Compact, efficient, and affordable, this tool is perfect for hobbyists and professionals alike. Number 1, GD7 PRO Router Lift. The GD7 PRO Router Lift redefines precision woodworking with its micro-adjustment feature and stable lock ring set. Designed for easy installation on most wood router tables, it features a precision transmission system for seamless adjustments. Built with high-quality materials, it ensures reliable, long-term performance. Perfect for intricate woodworking projects, this router lift delivers exceptional accuracy and ease of use.